Entrepreneur. What is entrepreneur? As we know by the name, entrepreneur is a business, a small business or a big business, whatever the capacity of the entrepreneur. An entrepreneur has some funding, has some knowledge, has some technical knowledge, has the energy, has the power, has the thinking ability, has the working capacity, hard worker, maybe an entrepreneur. In case of entrepreneur, there are several definitions, several opinions, like a Oxford Dictionary opinion, like a Oxford Dictionary, according to Oxford Dictionary, so many different types of definitions are available. So we have to go on definitions. There are so many scientists are involved to define the entrepreneur. French verb, continuous French verb, Richard Quintilian, Joseph Center, J.B. Say, too many different types of people are involved to define the entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship, it is the process creating, monitoring different with the value by devoting the necessary time and effort, assuming the a complying final cyclic social risks, social risk and receiving the resulting rewards of the monetary and personal satisfaction. So many different types of definitions available. You may go through the constancy, you may go through the file, but we can discuss regarding the nature and development of entrepreneurship. The certain process, devotion of time and effort, the assumptions of risk, rewards of independence, satisfaction, money. Like a creation of process, a person who will try to establish a new organization for improve his income, and a person if they start a organization, he not only improve his income, also improve the society, also improve the country, all over income of the country, people, workers, and himself will be increased. When a entrepreneur works, he have to ability how to minimize the risk, how to assume the risk, what is the devotion of work, time. So many factors are available to, in the case of entrepreneur. As entrepreneur and individual, self-employment, employment for near and dear, prolonged career for next generation, freedom to use own ideas, innovation and creativity, unlimited income, higher retained income, independence and satisfaction. Self-employment. He is not depend if an entrepreneur, he is not depend on the any other employer. So he can get the money, he can earn the money, he can take risk, he build a career for next generation, freedom for own work, he is free to innovate, he is free to create any creativity. Too many several points are available. The role of entrepreneur and entrepreneur. In case of nation, provides larger employment, result in wider distribution of wealth, mobilize local resources, skill and saving, accelerates the pace and of economic development, stimulates innovation and efficiency. Growth of education, science, technology, and management, develop infrastructure, facilities, financial assistance, training facilities, protective and promotional policies, globalization. These above factors in favor of entrepreneurship. If we discuss the characteristics of entrepreneur, mental ability, clear objective, business accuracy, HR ability, communication ability, technical knowledge, achievement oriented, ethical, motivator, self-confident, long-term involvement, high energy level, problem solver, initiator, goal setter, risk taker. These are the characteristics like mental ability, good entrepreneur maybe who can think better. He have two objectives of the entrepreneur should be clear. Business, he know the business accuracy, he know the HR ability, he know communication, he has communication ability, he has knowledge, he has achievement oriented person and ethical, motivator, self-confident person, then be a good entrepreneur and in entrepreneur a large long-term investment policies, high energy. The person who has the high energy, he can do more work. Problem solver, the good entrepreneur may be the main characteristics like he can solve the problems, he can fix the goal, he can initiator, extractor. These are the 2 points discussed with you regarding entrepreneurs. Okay, thank you.